Okay, it is May 21st, and we're replacing pickets on the fence and priming and sealing all the posts, putting new paint on, replacing this piece, this cross piece. I don't know when I rebuilt this fence, maybe 10 years ago, and we've been replacing them with plastic, these pickets, replacing them with plastic pickets. So, see, I forget, it's hard to tell which ones are the plastic ones, but they have wood grain on the outside. Let's see, yeah, this is plastic, plastic, plastic. So, definitely the way to go on the fence with plastic. Just, you know, the posts are still pretty solid. That should be a little putty put in there so it doesn't rust. I might do that. I mean rot, you know what I mean. So that's it. Just a little update, and then I'll do, of course, and the obligatory after video. Whoop, missed one. Gotta take that off. So, I mean, the whole thing should just be replaced with plastic, really. But this should give it another, I don't know, 7 years maybe? Hard to say. Well, the pickets will last forever, but it's the cross boards and all that that really should be replaced with plastic boards. Anyhow, that's it. Beautiful day here.